We've definitely needed scarves around the entire state with temperatures continuing to be quite chilly. You may have heard we got Pet of the Week. That's coming up as well. 38 degrees was the high temperature for those of you in Corvallis. It was colder to the north and warmer to the south. So here's what happened. Down in the southern Willamette Valley, we started out with some clouds early in the day, but those did quickly clear, and that allowed the sunshine in and those temperatures to climb right back up into the low 40s. Up north, though, they never did break through those clouds. Temperatures staying in the low 30s there in Portland. They even got a little bit of drizzle that fell out of those clouds. It fell some freezing rain in some locations and some light snow up there as well. So a completely different picture when you head up to Portland compared to Eugene at 40. 38 in Redmond yesterday, and the high temperature in North Bend, not bad. That's the place to go to find some heat, 48 degrees. Not that warm this morning, though. In fact, it's just 30 in North Bend. We're at 26 in Eugene and down into the teens as you head over into Central Oregon. The dew point's not far behind the temperature this morning at just 25 right now. Have not seen any dense fog. In fact, that visibility is still at the full 10 miles, but we start to see some patches of fog this morning, and that will continue to develop over the next several hours. So if you run into one of those fog patches, just assume it is freezing on the roadways and watch out for some icy conditions. Otherwise, this big ridge of high pressure, it's going to stick with us for the next 7-day stretch. The storms that are developing out here in the Pacific, they're all taken well to the north of us. So no storms making it into the Pacific Northwest, just plenty of high pressure. That brings in the clear skies and does help to bring our temperatures up in the afternoon. We just have to get through those chilly mornings. And for us here in the valley, foggy mornings as well. So PRECISIONCAST showing those clouds backing off to the coast once again this afternoon. All of us under these sunny skies. Fog rebuilds in late tonight, burns off again Wednesday afternoon, and this pattern, it just continues like a broken record all the way through the middle part of the week. No rain in sight for 7 days ahead. That does create some problems, though, because our air is going to be very stagnant. In fact, air quality already up in the moderate category, and we do expect this to continue to slowly climb over the coming days. There's just no mixing, no wind to keep those pollutants moving on. So we actually already have an air stagnation advisory in effect for the Umpqua Basin through 1 p.m. on Thursday. Again, these pollutants are getting trapped at the surface, so you want to keep this in mind. You want to limit burning your wood stoves or putting up other pollutants into the air, because it's that same air that you're going to be breathing all week long. Coast, though, beautiful, sunny, even warm. Highs back into the upper 40s and low 50s. You'll fall into the mid 30s again tonight, but you see those temperatures, they continue to climb mid 50s starting Thursday. The Umpqua Basin back into the low 40s today. Again, morning fog, but afternoon sun breaks. This pattern, it continues all week. More sunshine and warmer temperatures, though, move in this weekend. The Cascades are actually warmer than the valley. It's one of those strange days here when we get a temperature inversion in place. Warm air up at the higher elevations, upper 30s and low 40s there. Sunny, nice east winds. Also fairly warm in Central Oregon, getting back into the low 40s after starting out in the teens. You will continue to drop well below freezing every night this week, but then getting back into the mid 40s under sunny skies. And for the valley, highs into the upper 30s and low 40s, very similar to what we saw yesterday. Becoming sunny this afternoon. Again, this pattern just continues all the way through the end of the week. Although starting Friday, I expect more and more sunshine. Those highs eventually getting close to 50, and those overnight lows continue to fall down into the low 30s.